Halalan UPD 2016, a USC election special.
Matinong usapan
Para sa pagpiling ikauunlad ng pamantasan.
Meron ding mga kandidatong tumakbo independently. At makakasama natin dalawa sa kanila ngayong araw. Una po ay ang number 1 USC councilor in 2009. He ran under an environmental campaign. Si Mr. Sir Kester Yu. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
At ang isa pa nating makakasama ay ang
number 6 USC councilor
at
last year.
Incumbent USC councilor. He ran under it's one of the noteworthy campaigns, Sino si Mark campaign. Let's also welcome to the program Sir Mark Navata.
Hello, good morning.
So tell us briefly about your run as USC councilors. Sir Kester.
It's been a while, so
it's been 7 years. 7 ba? Tama. 2009. Yeah.
Matagal na.
Yeah, I ran independent and actually nagulat rin ako sa results, but it was a fun run. Masaya yung campaign din.
Did you expect na kayo yung magiging number 1 at USC elections?
Well, habol ko sana line of 1, so anywhere from 10 to 19.
How about you, Sir Mark?
Okay, so tumakbo kasi gusto kong maging watchdog sa USC kasi nakikita ko nga yung mga nagkakaproblema na or walang unity dun sa USC. Gusto kong maging invoke ng change dun sa loob ng council. So,
okay, so kung pwede naming matanong, ano po yung motivation niyo to run independently? Kasi most of the time you would like to run in a party na may solid base na din. Ano po yung naging motivation niyo to run as independent?
Well, in my case kasi, nag-local council muna ako and it was a blast. There was lots of fun, mataas yung unity within the council. And I had 2 main reasons for running independent. First of which was that, sorry na lang, pero pag nagpa-party, lumiliit ang mundo eh. Medyo nakakaaway yung ibang kapartido and since it's also been a while, I've had a lot of experience after that. You'd learn that once you graduate from college, nagtatrabaho na, lahat ng mga kakalaban mo sa ibang partido, naging kaibigan mo rin naman in the end. So, the current grudges within student council elections, after you graduate, when you end up working in the similar fields, sa government kasi ako tsaka sa civil society. So, a lot of people na end up being close, na magkakaaway noon, ngayon, they're best of friends. Another reason was that I didn't really want to focus on all the other issues. Isa lang yung pinili kong issue, something which was really close to my heart, which is the environment.
Ikaw naman, Sir Mark, you're still in the USC, you're an outgoing USC counselor.
Yes.
So how is it working as an independent counselor? Kasi 'di ba, it's USC is a numbers game eh. Yeah, when it comes to forwarding agendas, kailangan may numbers ka kung
or
gusto
supporters
may
for that.
may support ka for a certain advocacy or certain platform. So ikaw, Mark, how are you working with other USC counselors or yeah.
So unang-una, it's very difficult to be an independent USC counselor kasi unang-una nga numbers game, sabi mo. Yung mga wala akong committee sa USC kasi botohan yan pag sa outset ng term nyo is magbobotohan yan. So wala talaga akong committee. So nahirapan ako mag-push for ng projects kasi yun, siguro mag-agree si sir na being independent, kailangan may org ka na pa-partner mo sa USC para yun yung para magiging committee mo na rin para may tutulong sa'yo.
Ikaw ba, Sir Kester, you had an org,
Yes, I had several orgs, all within the College of Science.
Okay, so yung mga projects ko, pwede ko masabihin yung
yeah, sure.
So, Up for School, hashtag ako si Daniel. Magkaroon din ako ng EUP forum, tatakbotante. Pinartner ko din yan sa USC, pero unfortunately, hindi nga kinuha. Nagkaroon sila ng Up Your Vote. So, mahirap talagang mag-push for the projects.
Ayan. So, history has been kind to independent candidates. Tinignan namin yung data, and in the last 10 years, sa lahat ng independent candidates na tumakbo, isa lang ang natalo for an independent candidate. It was in 2009 also. I didn't know the name of the candidate, but it was in the data na isa lang yung natalo. So, why do you think so? Bakit in history, nananalo ang isang independent candidate.
Yes.
Sige, Sir Mark.
Ayun. So, depende rin yan eh. So, tingin ko may mga may mga independent counselor talaga na masabing independent lang. Pero actually, affiliated pa rin sila sa mga ibang parties. Siguro kung mapakita mo lang sa mga estudyante na independent ka talaga at wala kang pinapanigan, kundi pinapanigan mo yung mga estudyante, siguro tingin ko iboboto ka naman talaga nila eh. So,
how about you,
Sir
Kester?
Wow, I didn't know. Isa lang pala yung nung time pa namin yan. Well, I wouldn't really categorize it as independent lang kasi definitely may added name recall kung independent ka lang. But it also gives you the opportunity to be unique. In my case, it was an environmental platform. There are many different special characteristics. Tama nga, yung iba may party naman talaga pero they just go under the independent flag para mas maraming boto. In my case, I think nakatulong pa yata yung pity votes.
Pity votes.
In a way.
Na, that time kasi, ako mismo yung kumakabit, ako yung kumakatok sa mga rooms. So, maraming naawa rin. So, it's also a lot of things come into effect.
According to nabasa ko lang ito sa Facebook, when Raymond Rodis was a USC counselor, gumastos siya may budget siya about 12K to run his campaign. I'm not sure if tama yung data. Pero kayo
Yes.
Mark and Sir Kester, magkano yung nagastos nyo in your campaign? Kasi you're running as independent.
Okay. So, ako medyo proud ako na konti lang nagastos ko. Because when I ran as independent, I already served as a local councilor and a local chairperson. So, nakita ko na yung ibang partido, how they operate. And it's one way you can innovate from that. So, you can find cheaper alternatives. Nung tumakbo kasi ako, hindi ko pa pinaalam sa parents ko kasi nung nag-chair ako sa College of Science, nagreklamo na sila, bakit late ka umuwi? So, in total, wala pang 5,000 pesos just for printing. Back then, mura pata yung photocopy. 40 cents per page. So, you can have how many in one page? Tapos hindi ko na nilalagay yung tape, pampakintab. So, it was very easy to innovate and cut costs. Which, back then, that was, they were charging more than that per party. I'm not sure, pero yung ibang parties kasi, I think they also charge their candidates, may contribution rin sila to help the machinery in running the campaign. So, in the long run, ako yung marami talaga natipid. And, pati yung fee sa back then sa OSA, when you run, I think you have to give a deposit para sa mga campaign materials. So since I was the one who managed my own campaign, I knew where the flyers were. Kaya I was able to reimburse the deposit by taking down my posters as well.
I see. So, resourcefulness, basically.
Ikaw naman, Mark.
Ako, sinabi ko lang naman sa mga kaibigan ko na may mga kaibigan ako, orgmates ko na gusto kong tumakbo at willing naman silang tulungan ako. So, hindi naman ako gumastos hindi naman ako bumili ng mga expensive dresses or naka-t-shirt lang naman ako na may nakalagay na hashtag ako si Mark. Siguro yun yung pinaka-selling point ko yung pagiging hashtag ako si Mark. Mura lang naman yung mga nagastos namin. Siguro mga sa ranging from 5 to 10 siguro kasi hindi ko naman talaga kinalculate. So ayun.
So in a way, kahit independent, you were able to gather support from your college, yung mga friends mo from your college since you ran locally in that college and from your organizations.
So, Mark, you have a fraternity, right?
Yes.
So how helpful was your fraternity in the entire campaign?
Well, my brothers were really very helpful in my campaign. Sila yung nagbibigay ng flyers and then pag may naglalagay ng posters, tinutulungan naman nila talaga ako. So very supportive sila sa campaign ko kasi yun naman talaga pinapaniwalaan nila. Gusto din nila mangyari na mabago din yung student council.
Ikaw, Sir Kester, when you served as USC counselor, it was a Kaisa-led USC, right? Under
2009.
Under Mr. Tan, tama ba?
I think
Yes.
I wouldn't, by chairperson, yes, Kaisa.
Yes.
But then with the parties, I think maganda yung mix kasi halos pantay-pantay lahat.
So diverse
So,
naman.
So I'm just curious, personally, which of the 3 political parties do you find were you most comfortable working with?
In the council that year?
Yeah, in the council that year.
Well, it's sad to say that I had similar experience with Mark na hindi ko rin nakuha yung committee.
Anong committee po ba yung gusto niyo that time?
Make a guess.
Environmental.
Okay.
Given.
Okay, so yeah, so a lot of my work naman kasi that time I believe na yung promise ko naman hindi sa council but to the students. So I was able to implement the projects outside the USC.
Okay.
And how about you,
Sir Mark?
Wait lang, sorry. Yeah.
Yun tanong, which of the 3 political parties ngayon,
okay,
dahil kayo outgoing councilor ka pa incumbent and outgoing councilor, so 3 political parties, which of them
have been supportive?
Very supportive. So, tingin ko, Stand UP and Kaisa, mas comfortable ako sila ka-work and hindi kasi, ewan ko, yun talaga, Stand UP and Kaisa.
Maybe it also depends with who, kung sino, it's not only aside from the party, it's not really about the party or yung tao talaga, no? Maybe no.
Yung party and yung tao personally, mas friendly yung mga Stand UP and Kaisa. And my experience.
Okay.
So, ngayon meron tayong 4 na tatakbong USC councilors na independent. I think ito na yung pinakamarami in a long time, siguro in a decade. 4 na councilors. Last year, may isa lang. 2 years ago, may 2. So, ano yung mensahe nyo para dun sa mga tatakbong independent councilors?
For me, actually not just the independent councilors.
Sige,
for them, good luck. But for
everyone na lang.
Don't take it too personally. Yeah, like what I've mentioned a while ago, after you graduate from college,
you're going to be friends.
No, yes, that's true.
Yeah.
Especially if you enter a field wherein you're there to help the country, government, civil society, you end up fighting for the same things eventually.
Okay.
And it's gonna be a lot easier to work together if you start off with a good start. I know right now, may mga sariling mga manok, people want their own parties to win. But it's also based on the personality of the individual.
Halalan UPD 2016, a USC election special.
Matinong usapan
para sa pagpiling ikaw unlad ng pamantasan.